Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing and taking a look at the Stanley Copper Tinsel from the Holiday 2024 collection. Now this is a quencher in 40 ounces, and believe it or not, it is the same colorway as the little Stanley ornaments that we picked up previously. So I will leave a link to that video in case you're interested in how they stack up. Now, they also released this kind of tinsel color in a scarlet tinsel, which is a red, so very lovely red sparkly quencher. Now, the box is awesome. It looks like this copper, sparkly, very glittery, overall fabulous moment. This is honestly a really good one to gift for the holidays if you are into Stanleys or know somebody who is. Now, of course, it has the same standard box as always. You have 11 hours of cold, 2 days of ice, and 7 hours of hot. And you have the gold accents throughout the box just to accent really just how gold this item is. Now it is a little challenging to open up, as you will see me struggle, but once you do get the top open, you'll see a beautiful gold interior as well. So they really matched the overall branding with this item really well. Now the wrapping paper that it comes in is also going to be white with gold, and I'm not too versed in how this lines up with the rest of the Stanleys. I'm not sure if this is like their standard packaging color, but it does look pretty cute altogether. Now, getting our first glimpse of the Stanley, you'll just see how iridescent this is. So it really does match the essence of the box. And you can see the handle is kind of this like maroon, kind of dark, deep brown, or kind of a maroon brown color. It does match the box color, and I honestly thought of like BC colorways with this. So if you do have a graduate or an undergrad in the family, be sure to pick this up for them for the holidays. It would be pretty cool for school spirit. Now, the sun was going down, but you can see the overall iridescence with these lights. It does give off a lot of glimmer. And then of course you have the standard handle elements, the standard top, and it does come with a clear straw, which I think matches the lid, like the transparency of the lid. So it's gonna have like a copper hue to it, but it's not too strong, and like, don't quote me on it. Let me know if you see that as well, or it's just my eyes playing with me. Now the red version, the scarlet tinsel, is going to have a red and clear, kind of like a candy cane stripe straw, which I thought was really cute. Overall, I really like this one if you are going for something festive. I almost wish that it didn't have the brown handle, but we can get past it. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you like this one, if you love it, if you have it, if you hate it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.